the pocket-sized flying camera that the world has come to love. That doesn't require a remote and takes off in seconds. With 10 automated intelligent flight modes, just got even better, way better. Introducing the Hover Air X1 Pro and X1 Pro Max. And all of this fits in your pocket. With leveled up computer vision tracking algorithms, the Hover Air X1 Pro is faster too, with top burst speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour and a flight time of 16 minutes. And with smooth capture video stabilization, your shots will be silky smooth, no matter how rough the ride. Introducing the X1 Pro's powerful companion, the Hover Beacon. Made to clip on in seconds and packed with control functions and live preview, so you can keep your eyes forward without worrying where your hover is. HoverLink technology enhances Hover's visual tracking abilities for even better precision tracking.
Hover, take off.
The X1 Pro's new 17mm wide lens and 104-degree field of view creates uniquely dynamic perspectives, and with 4K at 120 frames per second, the X1 Pro Max lets you relive your action shots in all their slow-motion glory. Our tough leather carry case that holds 2 full additional charges, and along with our specially designed Thermo Smart battery, function in temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit. Enjoy lightning transfer speeds with Wi-Fi 6. And the X1 Pro Max now has 8K mode. You get more cinematic possibilities and unrivaled picture quality. With rear obstacle avoidance, you can relax knowing your X1 Pro Max has eyes in the back of its head. You can also transform your beacon into a one-handed joystick for more customized control. And now with Omni Terrain, you can fly over water, snow, or even off a cliff. For a more immersive experience, plug in your phone and use the joystick with 2 hands and screen. With up to 1 kilometer long-range video transmission, you can capture more of you, your friends, and your favorite destinations.